Hey, Min here. Look what I got here in the mail. Let's open it up and see. It's an orange pie. What is an orange pie? It's a Raspberry Pi clone. The boxes looks pretty simple. And why do I want an orange pie? It's because I needed two interfaces on the Raspberry Pi. So look at that. The simple box. Oh, dropped out. It's a regulatory compliance and safety guide. A bunch of words inside. Some stuff on the back. Not much. Let's look into this electrostatic bag wrapped, pretty secure. But it looks really tiny. I need to get it open. Let me get a scissor. There we go. There we go. Yeah, two Ethernet ports. It also has a Wi-Fi port built in. It is a pretty nifty
Awesome.
device. Small.
Oh.
Micro USB on the end. Two 10100 Ethernet port. And of course the GPIO pins as well. It takes a micro SD card. Once again, the two Ethernet ports. That's pretty cool. So take a look at my other videos and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much and have a great day.